Turkey talk. Discuss something frankly and straightforwardly.
Two roommates talking.
I think we need to have a chat about our living situation. Okay, what's on your mind? Can we talk turkey? Sure. Give it to me straight. To be perfectly honest and direct, I simply cannot live with you anymore. You are far too noisy and messy. Please leave by the end of the month. Like turkeys voting for Christmas. Set of people who choose or accept a situation that is not in their interest or will be directly harmful to them.
A meeting in a conference room.
We should cut down on the salaries of the workers to save funds for our upcoming project. The workers voting to accept a pay decrease would be like turkeys voting for Christmas. Come to me only when you have any sensible idea on your mind. Stuffed turkey. To be or feel extremely full from eating a lot of food. Two friends talking.
I love eating out a lot and trying new cuisines. I love homemade food because my grandmother is the best cook around. I'm always stuffed like a turkey whenever she cooks food.
Turkey shoot. A fight or competition that is one-sided, because one combatant or competitor is far superior to the other. Two friends talking. Why did you leave the stadium earlier yesterday? The game was turning into a turkey shoot. So there was no point wasting my time and watching it till the end. I agree with you. Turkey trot. A running race held close to or on Thanksgiving. Primarily heard in US.
Two friends talking. What do you plan to do tomorrow?
My sister and I are doing a turkey trot in the morning, and then we're going to help our mom finish making Thanksgiving dinner.